Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at how to create this slide transition or hypnotic slide transition with Prezentar. Now, if you don't know what is Prezentar is, it's a brand new web application that lets you create beautiful looking presentation in just a matter of minutes. And Prezentar is going to be launching on June 6th, and slide transition or hypnotic slide transition is part of the Hello 3D upgrade. If you wanted to get this functionality, guys, this is part of the Halo 3D upgrade, and this costs you like $77. But if you guys purchase Prezentar through my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, I'm gonna give you access, guys, to a $50 coupon code, which will then you can save, um, when you guys upgrade your account into Hello 3D. And aside from my $50 coupon code, you're also gonna get access to a 10 additional template inside of your Prezentar account. And then you're also gonna get access to a secret training on how to make money with Prezentar. So basically, this shows you how to make $100 per day with Prezentar, and the value of this is $497. On top of those bonuses, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 100 million premium stock images. This includes, animated assets and GIFs, and you can access this in the cloud. So this means you don't have to download this, and this is everything you need in your projects or in your presentation. So if you wanted use Prezentar, so this is everything you need, guys, uh, to use. So if you wanted to use an images or animated graphics, animated assets, icons, then this is everything you need to import. You can import this inside of your Prezentar account. And then the next one is I'm gonna give you access to 1 million ultra high definition stock videos. So you can also create stock videos or slide videos inside of your Prezentar. So you can also use this, and this is also in the cloud. And then I'm gonna give you access to 8,000 high quality free audios, so you can also use this, import this into your Prezentar account, as use this unlimited without any monthly payment. On top of all those bonuses, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a 20 plus product bonus bundle. This includes, so this is a 200 plus, right? 200 plus product bonus bundle. This includes affiliate marketing training, software, filler products, YouTube ads training, Facebook ads training. There are a lot of products that you can get from my bonus bundle, right? And those are 200 plus product that you'll be getting aside from my special bonuses right here. All right, so enough with Alright, so those are all of my bonuses. So let's take a look, guys, how to create this beautiful looking, slide transition with Prezentar. When you hover over to this presentation, you can click on next, and this will redirect you to the other slide, and you'll be able to see how many slides you have in your slide transition, and you'll be able to click on this, so first on the slide that you wanted to go, right? Something like this. And then you'd be able to embed this kind of presentation or slide into any kind of page builder you have. It can be WordPress. It doesn't really matter what kind of website you're using, what platform or CRM you're using. You can you know use this. You can embed a code inside of your website, and let me show you how to do that, right? But first, let me show you how to create that slide transition with Prezentar. So once you upgrade your account, you'll be able to access this Halo 3D functionality, and this will give you an additional 4 application. The first one is Flipbook Creator. The second one is 3D Carousel. The third one is Hypnotic Transition, and the last one is Markup Skins. I've already created a video tutorial or a video demo of how to use Flipbook functionality and also 3D carousel functionality. I'm gonna put a link down in the description of this video if you wanted to know how to use this functionality. And I've also created a review video about Prezentar. that is my full review. I'm gonna also put a link down in the description of this video or above this video right here, so you can also watch my full review about Prezentar if this is something can really help you out when it comes to your online business, right? And then yeah, so let's take a look how to create this beautiful looking slide presentation. To do that, guys, is click on the Hypnotic Transition and then click on Create Transition right here. This will open up a pop-up. They allow you to add in the name of the presentation that you wanted to create. So let's say my first uh, presentation. All right, so put in any name that you wanted to create, and then this will load up the presentation that you've already created. So basically you need to create a presentation first for you to be able to use that presentation and to generate an automatic transition with this functionality. And then click on so this is one of the presentation I created, which is the help menu. So we can click on use this presentation to generate a slide or hypnotic slide transition with Prezentar. Now this will load some time to create that presentation. Now you don't have to do anything once you click on use, because the system or the software will automatically put uh, slide transition or a transition in each slide. So you just wait while while your slide transition is rendered. And I'm gonna post this video, and once the rendering is ready, then I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Alright guys, so our transition has been rendered. We'll now be able to click on view, and this is our hypnotic transition, and it's already created right here, and it's so beautiful, guys. See this right here. So you'll be able to click on next, and you'll be able to see how many slides you have right there, right? So that's basically how to create this slide transition. There are four ways to use this transition. Now, what you can do is click on widget, and there are four ways that you can use this. The first one is Iframe Embed. Click on next, and then click on next, and then this will generate a code. Then this will you can use this code into your web pages, put it in your web pages. The second one, guys, is the button embed. This will generate you a button, something like this, and then you can customize the button right here. You can customize the color, customize the transition and the text, the size of um, the font size. You can customize that, and then generate a code right there. And then the pop-up embed, you can generate a pop-up and then add in how many seconds delay within the pop-up. You can set up right there, and then you can generate the code right here. And then the last one, guys, is custom embed. This will generate you a custom embed, which will generate a code using ID or class, and then you can get a code right here and put it in your web pages. All right, so yeah, that I think that would be, guys, that would be it in this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to help you out when it comes to with Prezentar. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next review video.